Hello, everyone. My name is Max Narodsky, and so I'm going to talk a little bit about myself. I'm really excited for this class. I live in Brooklyn, and I currently teach at a school in Harlem. I am a social studies teacher. I teach ninth grade and 11th grade social studies. Undergrad, I went to SUNY New Paltz, where I studied social studies secondary education. And for the past 3 years, I've worked in the DOE for 4 years, and 3 of those years were at my old school in the Bronx, where I was the ninth grade social studies teacher. So at that school, I was also the chair of the ninth grade team, and I was also the co-chair of the school development committee. The school development committee was in charge of planning PDs and after-school meetings for teachers. So as the ninth grade team lead, I worked with a lot of team to make strategies for our school because we had a really high ENL population. So some things we did is we did a work cycle protocol where we had initiatives such as Frayer models and close activities to help those ENL scholars. And I'm going to show you now a lesson I did last year to help specific ENL scholars in my ninth grade social studies class. So this is a lesson plan from the Tang and Song dynasties in China. One thing about this lesson is it has 5 levels of differentiation here. We had a lot of entering and emerging ENL students, some of which had only been in America with limited English exposure, and some of them had only been in America for about 3 months. So it's important to help those students feel included. So differentiation is made um, for them with modified texts and different activities. It's also important to challenge other students, so transitioning Ls as well as high performing students have uh, challenging texts that they can engage with. Also, not just differentiation, but collaboration through jigsaw activity was important for this lesson. So I'm going to show you the jigsaw now. With this jigsaw, there were 4 questions that were differentiated. The text was the same. It was a map. So there were visual aids for the entering and emerging Ls, but also text on the map for the um, students to engage with. It's important to collaborate and help all students feel included. That's a little bit about me. I'm really excited for this class, and I hope to talk with y'all soon.